Hey yummies, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, I love to see it and I love you guys for joining in the tribe. On this channel, I'm making it simple and easy for you so you no longer have to be intimidated in the kitchen. Today, we are making salmon nuggets. Yes, salmon nuggets. I mentioned to you guys that I'm on this health and weight loss journey. In all totals, I've lost 30 pounds. I'm eating a lot of fish and a lot of chicken, a lot of lean protein. And so I have to figure out how to make fish taste delicious and stay interesting. So I have to come up with these different recipes. So I baked some fish nuggets, salmon nuggets. They're delicious. Let me show you. Let's get into it.
I'm feeling high. I'm feeling high.
Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Mwah. Be blessed.